Hey team, it's Mossy. Just finished doing some exercises. Hope you're doing good today. Sending you some positive vibes, wishing you well. Hope you're standing up straight with your shoulders back. And take care of yourself. Ciao for now. Hello. How are ya? How are ya? Good girl. Cheese has just been busy guarding the gate. You've just been busy guarding the gate, haven't ya? Good girl, Cheese. Good girl. Pucky, I'll see you soon. Okay? Good girl. Good girl. All right. What's up, Houdini? How are ya? Hope you're good. How are ya? Can I give you a pet? Houdini guards this little rock, surveying his territory. He's a very dominant, strong, powerful cat. At the peak of his prime, aren't you? Absolute rules this roost. Sitting on his little cat throne. Trees that I walk underneath. It's a niece running home. Good girl, Cheese. Cheese likes to carry little balls in her mouths, don't you?
Scrappy Doo. Yeah.
Isn't he beautiful?
He is.
Hello, Scrappy Doo.
Fucking teeth are sharp. He'll be a bigger when he's older.
Just said hello to our neighbour. Our wonderful neighbour. If you didn't see my previous short, my neighbour gifted me some Pepsis, and the nieces drank them and really enjoyed them, so it's just wonderful to see him. And saw the two little dogs as well. I'll show you. Beautiful, I believe they're Rottweilers, Doberman, pretty sure they're Rottweilers. Yeah, good vibes, good times. And just before saw other neighbours as well, friends. Lovely to see them. And we admired that beautiful rose. See, the tree is gone. There used to be a little tree here, but it's been uprooted and moved. The neighbours used to come and eat berries from it and enjoy it, but they'll never enjoy that ever again. It's all good. It's just, it was quite funny. I talked to the Chinese builders and they said some guys just came and took it and took it away. Neighbours used to enjoy walking down the street and eating the berries from this small tree, but the tree is gone.